As days turned into weeks, the rainforest of Rainbowville came alive with the sweet serenades of high and low sounds, each note echoing the love and gratitude they each felt for Jesus. They learned how to use these sounds to express emotions and create beautiful melodies, just like Lolly and Peggy did. The animals would gather in the evenings, singing together in harmony, and their melodies became a prayer of thanksgiving. The music not only filled their hearts with joy, but also deepened the bonds between them as they learned more about music and about God too. Lolly, the gifted Lorikeet, had once again brought the animals of Rainbowville together through the gift of music. His teaching had not only nurtured their appreciation for high and low sounds, but had also enriched their lives with the joy of creating harmonious melodies that honored God. The rainforest was now a haven of musical harmony, thanks to Lolly's guidance and the young animals' deep love for Jesus and enthusiastic love for music.